Did you ever notice that a giraffe's tongue can be up to 45 centimeters long? That's longer than an average penguin. It's hard to imagine, right? But this peculiar feature plays a key role in the survival of these towering creatures. Giraffes, with their towering height and long necks, are perfectly adapted to reach the foliage on tall trees that other herbivores simply can't. But what good would that be if they couldn't actually grasp those tasty leaves? Enter the giraffe's impressively long tongue. This flexible appendage is not just long, but also prehensile, meaning it can grasp and pull leaves from branches, almost like a hand. But it doesn't stop there. The giraffe's tongue has also evolved to be tough and covered in thick bristly hair to protect it from the thorny acacia trees it often feeds on. This enormous tongue is just one of the many fascinating facts we are about to explore. Despite their tiny bodies, squirrels have very large brains relative to their size. Could this be what makes them so clever in finding food? The answer might surprise you. Squirrels are known for their remarkable memory capabilities, which play a crucial role in their survival. They spend a significant amount of time burying nuts and seeds in thousands of locations, and amazingly, they remember where each one is. This is attributed to their superior spatial memory, a cognitive skill that allows them to create mental maps of their environment. Their food storage tactics are also fascinating. To outsmart potential thieves, squirrels often perform deceptive caching. This involves pretending to bury a nut while keeping it hidden in their mouth, then moving to a new location to bury the real stash. So, next time you see a squirrel scurrying about, remember, there's a lot going on in that little head. Did you know that honey is the only food that will not spoil over time? Archaeologists found edible honey in ancient Egyptian tombs. Imagine that, a food source that never goes bad. So, what's the secret behind this everlasting delicacy? Well, it's all down to the way honey is made. Bees collect nectar, a sweet fluid from flowers, which naturally contains water. Back at the hive, they then evaporate this water, creating a thick syrup. This low moisture content is a key factor in honey's longevity. Few bacteria and microorganisms can survive in such an environment. But that's not all. Honey is also naturally acidic, with a pH level that hovers around 4. This acidity, while not harmful to humans, is another deterrent for many microorganisms, effectively creating an inhospitable environment for spoilage. Surely, the bees knew what they were doing when they created this everlasting treat. Honey, a sweet testament to the wonders of nature and the ingenuity of bees. If you stacked all the elephants in the world one on top of the other, they could reach the moon and back several times. This proves how big and heavy these amazing animals are. Let's unpack this fascinating fact, shall we? Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth, with males standing up to 10 feet tall at the shoulder and weighing between 5 and 6 tons. That's about the weight of 3 small cars. Their size, however, is just the tip of the iceberg. These gentle giants play a crucial role in our ecosystems. Their feeding habits help control vegetation, while their dung provides a vital source of food for insects, and seeds dispersed in the dung can sprout new plants. Elephants also dig water holes in dry riverbeds that other animals can use as a water source. All these actions help maintain the balance in nature. Truly, elephants are a testament to nature's grandeur and power. You may have heard that everyone's fingerprints are unique, but did you know that tongues are also unique? In fact, no two tongues are exactly alike, just like fingerprints. Now, isn't that a mouthful? This muscle in our mouths, the tongue, does more than just help us taste our favorite foods or articulate words. Each human tongue has its own set of ridges, wrinkles, and other surface peculiarities. Scientists believe these unique patterns are a result of genetic factors, similar to how our DNA determines the swirls and whorls of our fingerprints. Also, the tongue is one of the strongest muscles in the human body, and it's constantly changing shape to help us eat, speak, and even sing. So, the next time you're enjoying a delicious meal or having a lively conversation, remember that your tongue is not just a sensory superstar, but also a unique identifier. So, not only does your tongue help you savor your favorite foods, it also carries your unique identity. Cats have an extraordinary ability to jump. Despite their small body size, some cats can jump up to 6 times their body length. That's like a human jumping as high as a 5-story building. Now, isn't that incredible? This phenomenal jumping ability is due to the cat's powerful leg muscles and a flexible spine that acts like a spring, propelling them into the air with grace and precision. Imagine, if you will, an athlete preparing for a long jump. That's what a cat does every single time it leaps. But it's not just for show or exercise. This acrobatic skill plays a crucial role in their survival. It aids them in hunting, escaping predators, and navigating their environment with ease. Whether it's a leap to catch a bird in mid-flight, or a jump to the top of a fence, every leap a cat makes is a testament to their agility and adaptability. The next time you see a cat leap, remember, it's no small feat. Humans have explored outer space more than they've explored the depths of our own oceans. This reminds us of how mysterious our oceans remain. Imagine the vastness of our oceans, reaching depths that sunlight can't penetrate, a world so alien to us that it might as well be another planet. Delving into the depths is a monumental challenge. The crushing pressure, the frigid temperatures, and the complete absence of light create an environment that is inhospitable to humans. Yet, life thrives in these extreme conditions, with creatures as diverse as the bioluminescent anglerfish to the giant squid calling the deep sea home. We've only scratched the surface of what lies beneath. Scientists estimate that we've explored less than 5% of the world's oceans. There's a wealth of unknown species waiting to be discovered, ecosystems that could hold the key to understanding our planet better. So, while we gaze at the stars, let's not forget the mysteries that lie beneath our very feet. Earth didn't always have a moon. It's estimated that the moon formed after a massive collision between Earth and another celestial object about 4.5 billion years ago. This celestial fender bender, often referred to as the giant impact hypothesis, is the most widely accepted explanation for our moon's creation. Picture this. A Mars-sized body, nicknamed Theia, smashes into the young, still forming Earth with such force that a significant chunk of our planet is ejected into space. This debris, left orbiting around Earth, gradually coalesced under its own gravity to form what we now know as the Moon. This colossal event also set the Earth tilting on its axis, giving us our seasons. It's also thought to have kick-started plate tectonics, a vital mechanism for life on Earth. So, the Moon, our loyal companion, is more than just a pretty face in the night sky. Next time you gaze at the Moon, remember, it's a scar from a violent past. You might never guess, but sea sponges are actually closer relatives to corals than to vertebrates, like fish. Now, this might seem counterintuitive, but let's dive a little deeper, shall we? Sea sponges, along with corals, belong to a group called invertebrates, meaning they lack a backbone. But the connection goes even deeper. Both sponges and corals are part of a larger family, cnidarians, known for their unique cellular structure and fascinating life forms. Sea sponges have an incredible biology. They are composed of tiny, individual cells that work together in a colony. This allows them to perform complex tasks such as filtering vast amounts of water for nutrients. They are crucial to marine ecosystems, providing habitat and food for a myriad of sea creatures. So, despite appearances, a sponge is more than just a simple creature. It's a vital part of our ocean's biodiversity and a testament to the wonder of evolution. Did you know that there is a species of frog in South America called the glass frog, and it has transparent skin? You can see their internal organs without having to dissect them. Quite a fascinating creature, isn't it? This transparency is not just a fun fact, but an incredible adaptation that offers a window into the frog's inner workings. The glass frog, or katak jaruk, as it's known in local dialects, is a small, tree-dwelling amphibian found in the rainforests of Central and South America. Its most striking characteristic is its see-through belly that reveals a live view of its heart, liver, and various other organs in action. Imagine having a biology class right in the middle of the jungle. But why did the glass frog evolve this way? It's all about survival. The transparency is believed to be a form of camouflage. When predators look up at the frog from below as it clings to leaves or branches, Its translucent underside blends with the surrounding foliage, making it nearly invisible. It's like having an inbuilt invisibility cloak. This amazing adaptation, however, is not just a one-trick pony. The frog's transparency also aids in its reproductive process. The male glass frog guards its eggs, which are laid on the underside of leaves. The transparency allows him to monitor the eggs' development, ensuring their safety until they hatch into tadpoles. While this transparency might seem peculiar to us, it's just another day in the life of the glass frog. It's a testament to the creativity of evolution, showing us that even the most seemingly bizarre adaptations have a purpose, aiding in survival and reproduction. These transparent frogs remind us that nature is full of wonders, some of which we can literally see right through. So, next time you're in the rainforests of South America, take a moment to look for these little transparent wonders. You never know, you might just get a live biology lesson right there in the wild.